Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, when did these lines appear? You're not alone. After 60, our skin begins to tell the story of every smile, every frown, every sunny afternoon, and every sleepless night. And while that story is beautiful, many of us wish we could smooth out a few of those chapters, especially the ones called wrinkles, sagging, and dryness. But here's the good news. You don't need Botox. You don't need expensive creams filled with hard-to-pronounce chemicals. There's one natural ingredient, used for centuries, loved by dermatologists, and now backed by science, that can help soften wrinkles, plump the skin, and restore that youthful glow from the comfort of your own home. Before I tell you what it is, don't forget to subscribe to PulseWise, your trusted place for senior health and wellness tips, brought to you in a warm and caring way. We're here to help you age strong, feel great, and glow naturally. Now let's talk about the skin. As we age, our skin loses two things, collagen and moisture. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. Moisture keeps it plump and smooth. But by the time we hit 60, we're producing far less collagen than we used to. That's when fine lines deepen into wrinkles and firmness turns into sagging. Here's the surprise. One of the most effective natural ways to help restore both moisture and collagen is aloe vera. Yes, that simple green plant you've probably walked past in the garden center 100 times. Aloe vera is more than just a sunburn soother. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E, powerful antioxidants that fight skin aging. It also contains enzymes that gently exfoliate dead skin cells, amino acids that help rebuild skin, and something called mucopolysaccharides, which help your skin retain moisture like a sponge. In one study published in the Annals of Dermatology, older women who applied aloe vera gel to their skin daily for just 90 days showed significant improvement in skin elasticity and wrinkle depth. Their skin became smoother, tighter, and more hydrated, without a single injection or harsh chemical. And it's so easy to use. Here's how you do it. First, choose pure, organic aloe vera gel. You can either buy it or extract it directly from a fresh aloe vera leaf. Just cut the leaf open, scoop out the clear gel inside, and apply it directly to clean, dry skin. Gently massage it in, especially around areas where wrinkles tend to form, like your forehead, eyes, and mouth. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. You can also use it as an overnight mask once or twice a week for even deeper hydration. Make this a relaxing part of your evening ritual. Light a candle. Play soft music. Treat it as an act of self-love, not just skincare. And here's a bonus tip. Add a drop of vitamin E oil to your aloe gel before applying. Vitamin E is like a natural skin shield. It helps repair damaged skin cells and boosts the wrinkle-fighting power of aloe. If you're enjoying this so far, remember to hit that subscribe button and join our community here at PulseWise. We share natural, trustworthy solutions every week that help you look and feel your best at any age. Now, while topical care is important, glowing skin isn't just about what you put on your body, it's also about what you put in it. And unfortunately, there are certain foods that silently age the skin from the inside out. Let's talk about those next. But before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe to PulseWise. You don't want to miss the simple daily tips that can help erase years from your appearance, naturally and safely. Now let's turn our attention to what might be quietly sabotaging your skin, the foods on your plate. Yes, some everyday foods that seem harmless, or even healthy, can actually accelerate wrinkles, break down collagen, and dry out your skin from within. Let's start with the top offenders. First up, refined sugar. Sugar is one of the worst culprits when it comes to aging skin. When you consume too much sugar, it binds to proteins in your bloodstream, including collagen. This process is called glycation, and it literally stiffens and damages the collagen fibers that keep your skin firm and supple. Over time, glycation leads to sagging skin, deeper wrinkles, and loss of elasticity. So, the next time you reach for that cookie or sweetened cereal, remember, it's not just your waistline that pays the price. Your skin does too. If you want to fight wrinkles from the inside, try swapping refined sugars for natural sweeteners like raw honey, stevia, or even a few slices of fresh fruit. And always watch out for hidden sugars in packaged foods. Even so-called healthy granola or flavored yogurt can be packed with it. Next on the list, processed meats like sausages, bacon, and deli slices. These are often high in preservatives like nitrates and sodium, which cause inflammation in the body. Inflammation doesn't just affect your joints and heart, it affects your skin too. When your skin is inflamed, it becomes more prone to puffiness, sagging, and dullness. Swap these meats for lean proteins like grilled chicken, lentils, or wild-caught salmon, which we'll talk more about soon. The third skin-sabotaging food is one many people overlook: vegetable oils, especially soybean, corn, and sunflower oil. These oils are often used in fried foods and baked snacks, and they contain high levels of omega-6 fatty acids. When not balanced with omega-3s, they increase inflammation in your body and in your skin. A better choice? Cook with extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil, which offer healthy fats that nourish your skin and reduce oxidative stress. And let's not forget alcohol. While the occasional glass of wine isn't a big deal, excessive alcohol dehydrates your skin and robs it of vital nutrients like vitamin A. This results in dull, tired-looking skin and makes wrinkles appear deeper. Try limiting alcohol to special occasions and hydrate well if you do enjoy a drink. Now that we've covered the foods that damage your skin, let's flip the script and focus on the ones that heal it. Your skin is the body's largest organ. It needs the right nutrients to thrive, just like your heart, brain, and muscles do. And after 60, your skin becomes more sensitive to nutritional deficiencies. So let's go through a few wrinkle-fighting foods that rebuild collagen, hydrate the skin, and support that natural glow. No expensive serums required. First, avocados. They're loaded with healthy fats that moisturize your skin from the inside. They also contain vitamin E, which is essential for protecting your skin from free radical damage. Next, berries, especially blueberries and strawberries. They're rich in vitamin C, which is key to collagen production. Just 1 cup of strawberries has more vitamin C than an orange, and that means better skin repair, firmer skin, and fewer wrinkles over time. Another skin superstar is bone broth. It might not sound glamorous, but it's one of the best natural sources of collagen you can find. A warm cup of bone broth a few times a week can help improve skin elasticity, reduce fine lines, and even support joint health. And let's not forget green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale. They're rich in antioxidants, hydration, and fiber, all essential for flushing out toxins and keeping your skin clear and glowing. When you combine these foods with topical care, like our aloe vera routine, you're nourishing your skin from both the inside and out. If this information is helping you, please support our work by subscribing to PulseWise. We love bringing you senior-friendly, trustworthy advice that helps you feel beautiful, strong, and confident. Now, one of the most overlooked parts of skin aging is how stress and sleep affect the way we look. Let's talk about that in the next section, and how calming your mind may be the best wrinkle treatment you've never tried. But before we continue, don't forget, hit that subscribe button for PulseWise. Your skin, body, and spirit will thank you. Let's now talk about something many people forget when they think about aging skin, and that's your nervous system. Yes, stress, both emotional and physical, is one of the biggest silent accelerators of skin aging. And after 60, the effects show up faster. When you're stressed, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol breaks down collagen and elastin, the exact proteins your skin needs to stay firm and wrinkle-free. Over time, chronic stress leads to sagging skin, deeper lines, and even acne or dullness. You might be using great skincare, eating healthy foods, but if you're living in a state of tension, your skin will reflect it. So what can you do? Start by setting aside 10 to 15 minutes daily for something calming. This could be deep breathing, light stretching, prayer, a short walk in nature, or even a few moments of gratitude journaling. One of the most effective and simple things you can do is deep belly breathing. Inhale slowly for a count of 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4. Repeat that 10 times. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and repair system, and immediately reduces cortisol levels. Another major factor in wrinkle formation is poor sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. That's when your body increases collagen production, balances hydration, and regenerates cells. If you're not getting deep, restful sleep, your skin suffers. Studies show that just 5 nights of poor sleep can lead to dullness, puffy eyes, and increased wrinkle depth. So how do we fix this? Start with a calming bedtime routine. Dim the lights an hour before sleep. Avoid screens. Drink a warm, caffeine-free herbal tea, like chamomile or lemon balm. These have natural calming properties and support better rest. You can also use magnesium, either as a supplement or as a spray or lotion on your skin. Magnesium relaxes muscles and the nervous system, helping your body transition into a deeper sleep. Now imagine this. You've applied your cooling aloe vera mask, you've sipped your calming tea, and you're tucked into bed with your body relaxed and your breathing slow. Not only will your skin thank you in the morning, but your entire body will feel lighter, clearer, and more energized. These small habits, when done consistently, add up to big changes. So remember, skincare isn't just about creams and serums. It's about eating the right foods, reducing stress, sleeping well, and using gentle, natural ingredients like aloe vera that nourish your skin and body without side effects. If you've found value in this, please take a moment to subscribe to PulseWise. Your support helps us keep sharing natural, senior-friendly health tips that make a difference. And here's a quick recap of what we've covered so far. Aloe vera is a dermatologist-approved, natural way to reduce wrinkles at home. Sugar, processed meats, and inflammatory oils can damage your skin from the inside. Skin-loving foods like berries, avocados, and bone broth nourish your glow naturally. Managing stress and improving sleep are just as important for younger-looking skin. And now, let's finish with a few easy daily habits you can start today that will help you erase wrinkles over time, naturally and joyfully. But first, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and become a part of the PulseWise community. You deserve to feel radiant and empowered every single day. Let's now wrap this up with 5 easy daily habits you can start right now to help smooth wrinkles, brighten your skin, and feel more confident in your own natural beauty. No Botox needed. 1. Start your morning with warm lemon water. This simple drink hydrates your skin from the inside out and helps flush out toxins. It also provides a small dose of vitamin C, which supports collagen production. Just half a lemon in warm, not hot, water can make a big difference if you do it every day. 2. Use aloe vera as a natural moisturizer. After you wash your face in the morning or evening, apply a small amount of fresh aloe vera gel. Let it absorb into your skin before applying anything else. It helps tighten skin, reduce redness, and lock in hydration, especially around the eyes and mouth. If you mix it with a drop of vitamin E oil, it creates a powerful natural serum that nourishes aging skin without the irritation that many store-bought creams cause. 3. Gently stretch or move your body each day. Even 10 to 15 minutes of light stretching can increase blood circulation, oxygen delivery, and nutrient flow to your skin. Movement also reduces stress, boosts your mood, and helps your body eliminate toxins through sweat, all of which contribute to clearer, younger-looking skin. 4. Add one skin-loving food to every meal. Don't overcomplicate this. Just try to include one collagen-friendly food at every meal. For breakfast, add berries to your oatmeal. At lunch, enjoy a slice of avocado on whole grain toast. For dinner, sip on a small cup of bone broth or add leafy greens to your soup. Consistency is what makes these foods powerful. 5. Smile more. Seriously, while frowning and stress create deeper expression lines, smiling naturally lifts your face and relaxes your facial muscles. It also releases endorphins, your body's feel-good hormones, which reduce stress and support skin regeneration. And hey, you're watching PulseWise. That means you're already doing something positive for yourself today. That's something to smile about, isn't it? Now let's address a question we get a lot. How long will it take to see results? If you follow these daily practices, applying aloe, adjusting your diet, managing your stress, and caring for your skin naturally, you may start to notice small changes in just 7 to 10 days. Skin may feel softer, look brighter, and feel less tight or flaky. By 3 to 4 weeks, many people see a visible reduction in fine lines, puffiness, and sagging. And over time, these natural methods can dramatically slow the visible signs of aging without expensive procedures. But the most important part? You'll feel better. You'll know you're taking care of your body with love and intention, not fighting aging, but embracing it with grace. So next time you look in the mirror, smile. Know that every small habit you build is a gift to your future self. And know that you are never too old to glow. If this video helped you, share it with a friend or loved one who might need a little self-care too. And before you go, please take a moment to subscribe to PulseWise. We're here to guide you every step of the way with simple, natural health solutions that are easy to follow and actually work. You deserve to feel good in your skin at 60, 70, 80, and beyond. Until next time, stay kind to your body, stay strong, and stay glowing.